Before cleaning your mousepad, your first step should be looking up the manufacturer and finding out what they recommend as a cleaning method. While mousepads made of a harder material, like plastic or rubber, can typically be washed using a damp cloth, mousepads made of cloth may take some additional steps to get clean. Here is a method that could work well with your mousepad. Fill your sink with warm water and submerge your mousepad. Using a soft brush or sponge, apply a small dab of mild dish soap and then gently scrub the pad. Then rinse thoroughly. Use a clean towel to help dry the pad. Then leave it out to dry for several hours. Once it's completely dry, enjoy your new, clean mousepad.